Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the September 2019 Electrical Engineering Boards, and this came from Engineering Mathematics Algebra. Pero before that, shoutout muna sa mga Lodi Cakes natin sila Michael Calma at saka si RJ Oshana. And maraming salamat sa inyo mga Lodi Cakes sa patuloy na support sa channel ko, and I hope you all the best. Keep safe palagi. So solve the equation x squared y minus 2 quantity plus quantity x plus 2xy minus 5 quantity I is equal to 0. So kapag ganito yung klase ng tanong sa mga board exam, so dapat itong mga klase ng tanong na to, automatic mga Lodi Cakes, dapat 1 point na agad. Kasi pwede nyo naman itong gamitan ng diskarte. Pero syempre, tuturo pa rin ni Sir IJ yung fundamentals, how do we solve this in a classic way. Pero syempre, tuturo din natin yung isang mas mabilis, which is yung diskarte na. Okay, so mapapansin natin na meron tayong given na complex number. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Notice that on the right side of the equation, it is equal to 0. So, let us recall na ang pinaka-form natin ng isang complex number is given by a plus bi, where a is the real part and bi is the imaginary part. So, dahil 0 yan mga Lodi Cakes, dapat ito equals sa 0, ito rin equals 0. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan, we have x squared y minus 2 is equal to 0. So, this will be our first equation. And for our second equation, we have x plus 2xy minus 5 is equal to 0. Which is okay kasi we have two equations and two unknowns, which are the variables x and y. So how do we do that, Sir IJ? So kung ako tatanungin, ganito gagawin ko. So from equation 1, notice that we can express it as x squared y equals to, baka nalito po, nilipat lang ni Sir IJ, yung negative 2 sa right side, so naging positive 2 siya. Guys, kung mapapansin natin sa pangalawang equation, meron tayong xy na term. So agree po ba kayo na itong transformed equation natin, pwede natin gawin siyang xy is equal to 2 over x. Kumbaga yung isang x, hiniwalay lang natin dito, so that's x times x, tapos nilipat natin sa right side. Kasi pag ito sinimplify mo, you will come up with this. X times x, x squared. Sir IJ, bakit mo yan ginawa? What is the purpose? Because the second equation contains the term xy. And we have 2 over x here. Kapag sinubstitute natin to dito, it will leave us with the only a single variable, which is the x variable. So ano nang mangyayari, Sir IJ? So we have from the second equation, lagyan natin ng arrow, x plus 2xy, kaya lang yung xy ay 2 over x minus 5 equals 0. So multiply everything by x. So we have x squared plus x divide x. So that's 1. 2 times 2, that's 4. Minus 5x equals 0. So rearranging, x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Pwede na sa calcu, pero madali mo rin siya factor. So that is equivalent to x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 4 is equal to 0. So equate lang natin sa 0 kada factor. X equals 1, x equals 4. Kung papansin natin sa choices, itong letter B and letter C, mali na agad yan. Kasi yung mga values ng x natin are 2 and 3. Mali agad yan. I mean 3 and 1 half. Hindi naman siya 1 and 4. So the possible choices na tamang sagot ay A tsaka D. So ano na mangyari, Sir IJ? So pwede natin gawin, substitute natin yung 1 dito sa first equation natin. So if x equals 1, lalagay na lang natin dito. If x is equal to 1, so we have x squared y equals 2. So x is 1, 1 squared y equals 2. 1 squared is 1, so we have y equals 2. So you have x equals 1, y equals 2, which is correct to. How about if 4? Siyempre, i-check din natin si 4, Sir IJ. So x squared y equals 2. So if x is equal to 4, so we have 4 squared y equals 2. 4 squared, that is 16, Sir IJ. 16y equals 2, so we have y equals 2 over 16. Or that is 1 over 8. Kaya lang negative 1 half to mga Lodi Cakes. So this is incorrect. So the final answer is letter A. Sir IJ, hindi po ako magaling sa na mental block po ako during boards. Ano po yung pwede kong gawin? Ang pwede mong gawin, is try mo i-substitute yung mga given natin. So, syempre, sisimula ka sa letter A. So, ang gawin mo, itong x, ipalit mo yung 1, yung y, palitan mo ng 2. So, ilagay mo dito 1 squared times 2 minus 2 naging 0 siya. Uy, okay agad kasi dapat 0 ang goal natin. Pero syempre, itong 1 and 2, you have to check it with the coefficient of I. Dapat maging 0 din siya kasi the entire expression on the left side must be equal to 0. If this is 1, so that's 1 plus 2 times 1 times 2. So that's 4 plus 1, that's 5 minus 5 equals 0. So you can use the discarte here. Siyempre, kunyari, ma-mental block na kayo. Mas madali naman yung marami tayong paraan. Kumbaga, marami tayong paraan in terms of getting the correct answer. Kasi siyempre, sayang naman yung 1 point. This is just an easy question. So yun guys, sana kahit pa paano na-review ko kayo or na-refresh ko kayo sa mga basic algebra, algebraic manipulation. And maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. And I hope you all the best. Sana mas marami pa kayo matutunan sa mga engineering and math related contents natin. And more power sa inyong mga Lodi Geeks. Bye-bye and God bless.